Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to create a bevel rectangle image in Microsoft Publisher. So let's start it. At first open your Publisher document. In this video, I will show. Now going to the insert menu option. Then click for picture option. Now find your picture. Now select from a picture. Now click for insert option. Now then you show insert from picture. Now resize your picture. Now create bevel rectangle image. Now going to the format menu option. Then click for a menu format. Now click for a bevel rectangle image. That's it. Now you can see create bevel rectangle image in publisher document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.